Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to set up your Xiaomi 13T. So in order to do that, let's start with it. Press on this arrow button, choose the language which you prefer. I'll leave it as in English. Press next, choose your region. I'll set it on Czechia, press next. Now, don't forget to read terms and conditions, use the agreement and privacy policy. If you're satisfied with everything, press I've read and agree to the user agreement and privacy policy. Let's go. Now, you will be prompted to enter your SIM card. If you don't have one, do not worry, simply let's skip the step and go next. Now you're to connect to your network. Alright, so we've entered our Wi-Fi password. Now we are prompted to agree to the Google services. Alright, press accept. Now you're to set your screen lock. If you do not want a screen lock, simply press skip or choose your preferred variant such as face unlock, fingerprint, and PIN, password, etc. Press skip. Now your phone is getting ready. Here are your basic settings. I recommend leaving them allowed, but if you're not, simply read about each section, right, and decide either you want it or not. Press next. Now, if you need parental control, simply turn them on. However, I won't use any parental control, so let's skip this step. Now let's choose our font, so you can choose between default and Mi Sans. Choose the one you like. You can always change your phone into the system settings, so do not worry about that. Let's go next. Now you're to select your default launcher, classic one or an app drawer one. It's more Samsung-like. I prefer a classic one. Let's choose it. Let's go on. And basically that's it. Now your system prepares and our setup is finished. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.